Hey guys, what's up? Today, we will create a fan-made Beyblade X Valkyrie from cardboard. To get started, cut at least 7 to 8 cardboard pieces, similar to the layer template, and attach them using glue, following the steps. We are almost done with the layer. Sinan is now shaping the Beyblade layer using a soldering iron. For making cardboard Beyblades, Sinan mostly uses ice cream boxes, which you can collect from local shops where ice cream is sold. You can collect cardboard from there. Now, for better accuracy, Sinan is adding a 3D shape for a better look. Next, for the ratchet, cut approximately 4 to 5 cardboard pieces matching the shape of the 360 ratchet. Finally, attach the small circular cardboard pieces with glue and secure the ratchet to the layer using hot glue. If you want to enhance the look, you can add colors around the Beyblade, though it's optional. Now, for the bit, unfortunately, at this moment, Sinan doesn't have a blue color marker pen, so Sinan is taking the attack type bit from Cobalt Drake. We all know that Valkyrie Beyblade is attack type. You can also check out our other Beyblade X Beys making videos for the bit making part in our Beyblade X Craft YT playlist. Your likes and positive comments truly inspire Sinan to create new videos. However, this video would be worth it for both of us if you just hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon down below.